We've all been there. You work hard, put in the hours, and then you have to wait an entire pay period to see that sweet paycheck hit your account. Bills pile up, unexpected expenses pop up, and suddenly that freshly deposited paycheck feels like a distant dream. Well, what if I told you there was a way to access your earned wages before your official payday? That's where DailyPay comes in. But before you jump in and start transferring funds willy-nilly, there's one crucial question. Exactly how much of your paycheck does DailyPay actually make available? Let's dive deep into the world of DailyPay, explore how this service works, and uncover the nitty-gritty details of how much money you can get your hands on early. Breaking down DailyPay, how it works. Imagine this, you just finished a killer shift, aced that presentation, or wrapped up a big project. Feeling accomplished and, hopefully, a little lighter on your feet. Wouldn't it be awesome to have immediate access to some of that well-deserved cash? DailyPay steps in as a middleman between you and your employer. Here's the basic flow. Enrollment. You sign up for DailyPay through your employer. They handle the integration, so it's a smooth process for you. Track your earnings. DailyPay keeps tabs on your wages as you work throughout the pay period. Available funds. The magic happens here. DailyPay uses its secret sauce, a fancy term for their algorithm, to determine how much of your earned wages you can access early. This amount will be displayed in your DailyPay app. It's your available balance. Early transfers. Feeling a cash crunch? With a few clicks, you can transfer a portion of your available balance to your linked bank account or debit card. There might be a small fee associated with this transfer, but we'll get to that later. Payday. Don't worry, you'll still receive your regular paycheck on your designated payday. DailyPay simply subtracts any early transfers you made from your final paycheck amount. So, how much money can you actually access? Alright, the moment you've all been waiting for. Here's the deal with how much money DailyPay makes available. The first few paychecks. Get ready for a bit of a trial period. For the first 3 pay cycles after enrolling, DailyPay typically allows you to access around 50% of your gross pay, the total amount you earn before taxes and deductions. This percentage might be lower, around 25%, if you have things like garnishments on your paycheck. After the honeymoon phase, once DailyPay gets to know your earning habits, think of it as building trust. They loosen the reins a bit. They use your past paychecks and spending patterns to calculate a more personalized available balance. This typically translates to around 80% of your net pay, your paycheck amount after taxes and deductions. Important caveats to remember. While DailyPay offers a sweet solution for accessing your hard-earned cash sooner, there are a few things to keep in mind. Not everyone qualifies. DailyPay isn't a magic money machine accessible to everyone. It depends on your employer offering the service and your eligibility based on factors like your income level. Fees can apply. Those early transfers might come with a small fee. DailyPay usually charges a per-transfer fee, so be sure to factor that into your decision. Budgeting is key. Just because you can access money early doesn't mean you should live paycheck to paycheck. DailyPay is a tool, and like any tool, it needs to be used responsibly. Plan your budget accordingly and avoid overextending yourself with early transfers. DailyPay, friend or foe?